ninyo agad yung DIQ requirement. So dito, ilagay nyo lang po every month kung may ilan kayong naging new team member. So pwedeng 0, pwedeng 1, it's okay lang po. Let's say this July, naku, wala talagang ma-team build. It's okay lang po, pwede nating habulin yan ng August, September, October, November. So cumulative po yung NTMs. So dito, pwede nyo lang po ilagay yung names ng inyong mga 6 NTMs. Let's say ang name ng NTM nyo ay Esther. Ayan, so si Miss Esther ang new team member ko. So checkan nyo lang yung qualifying requirements niya. Nakalagay na rin po yan dito. So si Miss Esther ba as new team member nag-active ng sign up? Active ba siya let's say ng August? If yes, checkan natin yan. May beauty e-pass store na ba siya? Nag-open na ba siya? If yes, checkan natin yan. Nag-ESRS na ba si Miss Esther? If yes, checkan natin yan. Nag-12,000 personal sales na ba siya? Nako, month 1 pa lang nag-maximize na ng 13,000 o di-check ka natin yung 12,000. And then, last na babantayan natin, of course, dapat active si Miss Esther as new team member natin ng November 2023. Now, if you will notice, my dear RGs, anim po itong qualified new team members natin na kailangan active in November 2023. Once mag-active po lahat ng anim natin na qualified new team members, automatic group leader status na kayo. So hindi nyo na iisipin itong GL status, isipin nyo lang palagi itong 6 NTMs ko, ma-achieve nila itong active status nila by November, and then kayo din active. So definitely automatic group leader status na po kayo nun. Agree? Ayan. So, madali lang po ba ang ating Red Jacket Pink Camp? Do you think kayang-kaya? Kaya po ba natin na ngayong month of July ay kayo ay A1 status with e-pass order? Ayan, yun lang yung kailangan ninyo talaga. So, the rest kasi cumulative eh. Basta huwag ninyong ma-miss na hindi kayo na A1 status kayo with e-pass order this month. Part na kayo ng pink camp natin. You can proceed to month 2 and that is August. Sige nga po, patype nga po ako sa chat box ng RJ. Kung kayo ay A1 status na ngayong July with e-pass order. Meron po ba dito na may A1 status na e-pass order? Patype sa chat box RJ. Nako, wala nagtatype ng RJ. Ano pa ang kulang natin, guys? Ayan. So, kung hindi pa, ayan, so meron pa tayong how many days left. So, make sure, ayan, makapag-place tayo ng order. And again, I suggest kung magpa-place kayo ng order, place nyo na yung order ninyo through Beauty E-Pass para at least dalawa. You hit 2 birds with 1 shot every month. Alright? So, clear po ba sa atin yun? Alright. So, let me know lang po if you have any questions. Pero that concludes our Red Jacket University Day 2. So, thank you so much, my dear RJs, for attending our Red Jacket University class. So, maraming salamat po. Ayan. Okay, so for some reminders po before tayo mag-end, ayan, I would like to turn the screen over to our power partner, Sir Ken. Hi, Ken.
Hi, Miss Jan. So, ayan, thank you so much to our power partner from sales, Miss Jan Labayane. Ayan, reminder lang everyone. So, congratulations for finishing the Red Jacket University training. So, expect the certificates through email nyo na lang po. So, ayan, and also for the silver and gold medalist natin, it will be waitlisted on your account. So we will be sending you an SMS once waitlisted na ang inyong mga medals. If achiever tayo ng silver and gold medalist. Okay? So thank you so much everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations po. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye po.